Hello, I'm Paul from Bezla, and today I'm going to try and answer the question, what type of renovation will grow occupancy for your hotel? Even if your hotel's reputation is good and your sales department is effectively managing your online presence, your occupancy may be stagnant, and there could be a number of reasons. Maybe your price points are out of step with your competitors. Perhaps there have been changes in demand in the area, or simply the type of hotel you operate is declining in popularity. It's important to realize that while renovations can improve the perception of your hotel, they may not automatically bring additional occupied rooms. When thinking about what appeals to guests, it's easy to get caught up in technology, bed type ratios, and what's popular right now. But an often overlooked and arguably far more important factor is simply understanding who your guests are. Key to this is analysing the profile of your customer base. Find out what percentage of your guests are business travellers, families, leisure travellers, and so on. Once you have a better understanding of the demographics that your hotel serves, think about how your renovation efforts can benefit those particular groups. Improving the colour and lighting may make for a modernised look, but to gain guests your property didn't previously attract, you need to focus on the segments you aren't getting and offer them a reason to give you a second look. Hotels built during the golden era of development catered to the male business traveller. Women simply didn't feature in planners' thinking back then. But the proportion of female business travellers has grown rapidly. In the USA, 47% of business travellers are now women. This is just one example, but it perfectly illustrates the fact that unless you know your guest and what market segments you serve, you could be missing a big opportunity. Of course, hotel designers work within a budget, but concentrating on budget alone is fraught with risk because design has a major impact on your occupancy potential. People look before they buy, so next time your hotel comes up for a renovation or property improvement plan, focus not only on the guest who is staying with you now, but also on the one who will be staying with you in the future. If Bezla could be of service to your hotel marketing, visit our website at bezla.com or give us a call at 888 999 8086. Thank you for watching today.